everyone, welcome to my another travel video, and today we're going to explore the 7 waterfalls of Barangay Mainit and its mother falls named Bakbakan Falls in Brooks Point, Palawan. Brooks Point is an oasis of countryside calm. Just around 4 hours south of Puerto Princesa City, this town is definitely a destination not to be missed, especially when you want to have a break from your hectic schedule to experience the laid-back rural life in Palawan. The town of Brooks Point has become famous for its promotion of ecotourism. There are lots of waterfalls to chase in Brooks Point, but the most famous one is a series of 7 falls in Barangay Mainit. Of the 7 falls of Barangay Mainit, the must-see is the last one named Bakbakan Falls. When all you want is cold and hot water in one spot, look no further than 7 Falls Hot Spring and Nature Park Resort in Barangay Mainit. It's nestled in the foothills of the town's rolling verdant mountains, 13 kilometers away from the town proper. The resort boasts of hot spring tubs and pools where you can immerse your weary body while being surrounded by lush tropical vegetation. Unlike most of Palawan's town, Brooks Point does not have white and pristine beaches that draws local and other tourists, but because of abundant freshwater resources, the town is one of the most productive in the province in terms of agriculture. The must-see is the 7th, named as Bakbakan Falls, or also known by the locals as the Mother Falls. Going here is an adventure in itself, as you will hike for a little over an hour through steep forested trail punctuated by streams and minor cascades. Bakbakan Falls is 200 feet high and drops down to an emerald basin, perfect for dipping after a tiring hike. Yay! A municipality brimming with ecological and cultural attractions, Brooks Point, Palawan in the southern part of the island is waiting to be included in your travel bucket list. Whether you want to immerse yourself in its indigenous cultural communities at the mountain's foothills, or explore its waterfalls deep in the forest, you will surely have a good time here. Excited to have an authentic travel experience here at Brooks Point, Palawan? What are you waiting for? Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next adventure. Bye!